Welcome to the Ultimate YouTube Masterclass. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you how to get a monetizable YouTube channel in 45 days or less. As you already know, to have a YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are very hard sometimes and get many people off the hook. Because the time and commitment required are unrealistic for many beginners who are looking for ways to make money online as soon as possible to follow through and get the result they want. To prevent overwhelming you with things you shouldn't be concerned about at the beginning, I have divided this masterclass into two sections, which is the basic and the premium. In the basic, I will show you practical steps to get started on your journey as soon as possible, while the other details to grow your channel will be shared in the premium class. In the basic class, we'll go straight to the point with practical steps that matters above all else, while we'll keep the theory and other things to the premium class. In the basic class, you'll learn the following. Number 1, how to create a YouTube channel. Number 2, how to create and upload your first video. Number 3, how to get a channel monetized. Number 4, how to get 1,000 subscribers for free. Number 5, how to get 4,000 watch hours quickly. Number 6, how to save time with advanced strategy. These 2 things are needed for you to get your YouTube channel monetized as soon as possible. And if you stick around and take action, combine the basic and the premium class, you will achieve this in 45 days or less, no question asked. If you already have a YouTube channel you are looking to monetize, follow through as you will get to that part where I share special strategy to help you get out from wherever you are stuck right now. Now, there are 3 things I want you to do before you get started. If you are watching this video on the website, I want you to click the link below it to go to YouTube. And when you're on YouTube, if you're on YouTube also, I want you to do the following. Number 1, find the subscribe button and click on it to subscribe. Number 2, click the notification bell to get notified for future content I upload. Then number 3, I want you to first of all like the video and comment on how ready you are to join this 45 days YouTube challenge and promise that you will not quit for any reason. Then I will reply to your comment to officially welcome you and acknowledge you for taking action for proper guide. You can check the description of this video for the link to continue. Alright, no time to waste, do the tasks I request and let's see in the next video.